Hello everyone, I'm here today with this beautiful Peugeot 206 GLX model. It's a 2001. Really a sharp car. It's got about 99,000 miles on it. Great tires. MOT through next year, and it will have new tax on it as well. No rust, hasn't been in an accident. It's a little dirty because it's been raining today. As you can see, the tires have good tread. Let's go ahead and look inside. First, there we go. As you can see, the seats are great. There's no holes, there's no rips, tears, or stains. There's no foul odors. The doors look great. A little bit of sand down there, but we'll get that out before you pick it up. Back seats are very nice as well. Manual windows in the rear. Alright. Clarion CD changer. Seats fold down. You've got a nice privacy door there. And a good amount of space to store anything you need. Golf clubs, luggage, plenty of space here. Walk around to the passenger side. Again, very tidy, very, very clean. Okay. Got this nice color matched glove box there. No wear on the shifter. Your power mirrors and front power window controls. Stereo controls, air conditioning, central locking, and emergency lights. Alright. Now for my favorite part, we're going to go for a drive. Okay. Alright, so we are going for a drive now. Got the key right here. In the ignition it goes. We'll go to the on position first.
Listen to this. What do you think?
Fuel level low.
Again, people sometimes forget the number. Here it is.
Okay.
Forgive me if you know.
Turn the radio down.
Off the top of your head, 03700 100.
It's a cool little display up there.
And the you can tweet us, of course. Using
all right. Now let me start her up. Starts up instantly. Let me turn the air conditioning is ice cold. Wonderful thing about Peugeots is their air conditioning seems to last forever. We've got a nice steady idle, just under 1,000 RPMs, exactly as it should be. All right, put the handbrake down and into first gear. There we go. Turn this radio all the way down. All right, and now we go for a nice drive on this private country road. Okay, so now we're in first. I'm gonna put this window down so you can hear. You see the windows go down excellently. A little bumpy on this road here, but that's okay. Drives great, goes through all the gears excellently. We're in third right here. We'll get onto a smoother road up ahead. Brakes are great. We're gonna come to a stop up here. And you'll hear there's no squealing or squeaking or anything like that. We'll wait for traffic to clear up. Glass is great. There's no cracks or chips or anything in the glass. Now let's get on it a little bit. Third gear there. Fourth. And fifth. So it goes through all the gears wonderfully. Engine purrs, it sounds great, the exhaust sounds great, exactly as it should. There's no exhaust leaks, there's no knocking or ticking in the engine. Just a really, really nice car. I'll go ahead and put the window up. There we go. And we're just cruising along in 4th gear. This nice country road. I'm really impressed with this car for the money. It's a tremendous value. And these cars are very well made. They're very inexpensive to work on. Parts are abundant should you ever need to do a repair. But I've found the 206, especially from this era, to be a very reliable, very dependable car. Thanks again for checking out the video. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'm always available. You can call me, send me a text message, shoot me an email. Always available. Thanks again.